Welcome to the Backyard Shenanigans YouTube channel.
What's going on YouTube? BS Mike here, Backyard Shenanigans. We're back at Immokalee Raceway tonight. We're going to be doing another little cash day, see how that goes, and you never know what we're going to get into here. So stick around, see how the night goes. Alright guys, round one we got Tommy versus, I believe it could be a Regal. I could be wrong though, I've been wrong before. Round one cash days, Immokalee Raceway, let's get it. Number two, taking out the big tire first round. Good job, Tommy. And nice run, other dude. Moving on to round number two. Cash days tonight in Immokalee. Alright guys, round two, here we go. We got Danny in the far lane. We got Tommy right here in the close lane. Here we go. Getting loose on the big end down there, and it looks like Danny has taken the W in the right lane, moving on to round number three and the finals against Daryl on the Camaro. All right, Danny, man, that was a hell of a race. You took out Tommy in round number two tonight, but it was a damn good race. And what the fuck happened over here?
Uncle Rodney came to town.
Uncle Rodney has came to town.
Yeah, there's a hole right behind the starter if you could shut that thing down.
Alright guys, well that's it for cash night. That's it for cash days tonight. Danny put a nice size hole in the block. Daryl takes the W tonight. That's how the cookie crumbled, and you know, maybe next Friday we'll see a little bit more action. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and we will catch you on the next video.